Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we're showing you Jealous's hip replacement recovery kit. So, it can be used for more than just that, knee replacement and other stuff, but you get a grabber tool, you get a sock aid, dressing stick, rigid leg lifter strap, and soft bath sponge in this kit. So this would make a great gift for someone who is coming out of surgery for hip replacement or other related. So as you guys can see here, each device. So first off, I want to show you guys in the manual, it tells you how to do everything. So how to use the grabber tool, how to use the sock tool, and every other tool. All how-to guides are in here. So we're just going to show you guys what you get and the quality of it. So as you guys can see, this is nice solid wood. And it's been smoothed down so you won't get any splinters. Same for both pieces. This is a harder plastic with a nice soft sponge on the side there, with long straps and nice soft grip. And here it's just a simple strap with wire inside, which allows you to pretty much bend it and move it however you need to. And then we go ahead and open this up, and this is the grabber tool. So the grabber tool is very simple. It's foldable, and you put it in like that. Makes it really nice. It's just a trigger spot. You can mount it on the wall, and when you're done, you can just unfold it, line up the hole, bend it, just like that. So it's a nice kit, would make a great gift for someone that is going to be coming out of surgery for many different surgeries, really. It's just a really good, helpful kit.